Paul Walker's alive! You wouldn't believe the media?
You watch Burn Up, the worst show on television.
It's all about Snail Down. I'm out here in Brooklyn.
Bird. Camera's still reality.
Legalize Mel.
They won't even see me.
What the heck? What was that? I don't know.
It was weird because he said he couldn't be seen, but how could he not be seen? He goes, just do whatever you want because I'm not seen, but obviously he is seen.
Fundamentally, basically, as far as the Bird Up segment is basically this. The idea of him saying that he couldn't be seen was that as far as when the segment is completed, at post-editing and stuff, essentially they're probably going to either add on other graphics or stuff or make him invisible, whichever.
But don't you think that was the finished product? Why would they show us something that isn't the finished product?
Focus group, give me a goddamn break.
That's the guy.
They should focus on their own assholes. God, look at that black dude, look at his lips. I want to suck on his tongue like it's a dick. Whoa! I need to everyone in that room.
Bird Up.